called the Tublian Community Call. Oh yeah, just to mention everyone, we are recording this session, so just so you know. So thank you very much, everyone. So bi-weekly we always have this call. We call it community call. We always share this link where if you have a topic that you want to talk about, you can always all right, sorry about that. There was a noise in my background. I needed to deal with it. So sorry. So if you have a topic that you want to talk about, we'll share you the link to that form. I'm going to share it before the end of this call today so that you can just go through it, apply to speak in any of our session. The last one we had Ruhi, and Ruhi's session video is up on YouTube. So if you go on our YouTube channel, you are going to see Ruhi's video there. She is our community member, and she was the one, our host, our speaker during the last community call, which happened 2 weeks ago, 2 Thursdays ago. So welcome everyone once again. We are really happy to have you here. My name is Precious Nzube Chukungube, and I'm the community manager here at Tublian. Nilanjan is also here, but he might not be able to speak. I don't know if he's able to speak, but he's here. He's the founder and the CEO of Tublian. We also so we want to welcome him, but before then, I mean, since he can't speak, we'll just go into doing like a little introduction. So I think we should start with um I think we should start with Radhika. Hi Radhika, do you want to introduce yourself? Or anybody that wants to introduce you. So when you're introducing yourself, you tell us what you do. It is an avenue for you to meet new people, connect with other people on the call, and then also showcase what you are doing. So hi, if you want to introduce yourself, you can just raise your hand so I call you, or I can mention names. So when I call you, you come unmute your mic and introduce yourself. Hi, Divine Success. Would you like to introduce yourself? Oh, hi. Oh, okay. We have some hands. Hi, Karun. Karun, go on and introduce yourself, man.
Hello, everyone. I
Hello.
it's probably you can't see me on video because there's no power in my area, so I'm really sorry for that. So, but I really wanted to join this call because I just want to share that my experience at Dublin was amazing, and I've never had that experience before. The kind of passion that so many of you guys show, and even the product that I built through Dublin has given me so many opportunities after the whole event. I mean, after the whole duration of the internship. So I'm really thankful for that. And I've been seeing the projects of the others as well at certain times, and I think all of you have done such an amazing job. And I hope you guys keep continuing what you're doing because I've never seen this out of the Dublin community anywhere. So, and if there's any other opportunity like another AI internship, I would love to join as that as well. So, congratulations for all of them who have passed that stage, and I'm looking forward for more. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome, Karun. You're welcome. Thank you very much for that.
Oh,
So,
and
re-
thank you, and to you and Nilanjan as well.
oh, thank you very much, Karun. We are so happy that you were able to get value out of the internship. I mean, thank you very much. Hi, Ray. Raymond, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, Precious. Yeah, I'm Ray. I'm from Pretoria, South Africa, and just finished the Tublian AI internship. And I just want to thank the team for great mentorship and opportunity.
Oh yeah, thank you very much, Ray, for that introduction. Does any other person wants to go introduce themselves? Any other person? Okay. I'm not seeing any other hands. Can I call one more person to introduce themselves? Hi, Street Ride. Street Ride, you can go on and introduce yourself. Hi, Street Ride. Hello, your hand is
Good.
up. Do you
I am
mind?
from India. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Recently, I complete my 6 month internship in Bumpkin Digital as a Flutter developer. Thank you for all of it.
All right. Thank you, Street Ride. I like your name, though. It's a very nice name. So, okay. So
Hello.
let's get started. So I'm going to Okay. Does any other person want to introduce themselves?
Hello.
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Does any other person wants to go next?
Hello.
Hello, Godson. Yeah, you can go on. Thank you.
Okay. My name is Godson. I'm a painter and also a front-end developer. I work with gadgets here in Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria, Enugu State to be precise. I've actually been part of this. I'm also happy to being able to speak to the community members and also get to learn new things from them. It's nice meeting you all.
All right. Nice meeting you, Godson. Nice meeting you. All right. So, Radhika, Radhika, do you mind going next? You can unmute your mic.
Hi Precious and hello everyone. I'm Radhika Fitr and I'm a master's student. I thank Tublian family for providing me an opportunity to do AI internship. This was my first AI internship and it gives me opportunity to explore a new field and learn various things about it since I was very new to it. And the classes really helped me to explore it and make it generate interest in this field.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Radhika. Thank you very much for that introduction. Hi, Peter. Do you want to introduce yourself? Hi, Peter.
Hi,
Okay.
good
I
day,
saw you.
everyone.
Good
Yeah,
day.
my name is Hi, everyone. My name is Oshino Peter. From Nigeria. I run a software development company. I'm happy to be here.
So I have that I my head that we're about internship. I, I was with everyone community calls for the internship and I saw them. So to call some people to give us feedback on their internship, how they were able to how they what they learned and how what they learned is helping them in their work as a software developer. So I'm going to start with Raymond. So hi Raymond,
Hi, Precious.
how are you doing today?
I'm well in you.
Yeah, I'm good. All right. So do you mind giving us a rundown of your experience during the internship and then what you learned and how it's helping you today in your job?
Yeah, it was a great experience. I really enjoyed it. Before the internship, I did a couple of small beginner courses on LLMs, um, basically just for background knowledge of how it works and what's possible with it. But it was mostly to understand the concept of LLMs. But during the internship, having to do practical examples and build apps with it, it just opened up my mind to all the possibilities that's out there, and taking the theory of and the head knowledge of large language models and being able to put that into a practical usable app for me was absolutely amazing. I think if I had to do that on my own, it I would have still been trying to play around with it, because I'm not a as a I used to be call myself a hobby software developer, because I used to watch YouTube videos, and if something interests me, I would try and do it myself or copy the instructions. But with the internship, I actually got an assignment that said you must develop this app, and there's a deadline, and this is what we expect from it. And I had to go and do it. So it pushed me over the line from just wanting to do it to actually doing it. And for me, that was amazing. That was the biggest benefit for me in this whole past 6 weeks internship was that. And then on the Tublian platform itself, the 80/20, I think it's an amazing idea. It's using what we are interested in, which is AI, and using that to develop as a roadmap for studying what we are interested in. And that for me was a first. I've never even thought of using AI for something like this. And instead of going and searching on YouTube and just going from the one YouTube video to the other one, this one gave me videos that I had to watch, it gave me articles that I had to read, and I had to answer questions about it. So it's not just a matter of sitting back in the couch with a cup of coffee and then watching YouTubes. It's physically having to take note of what is going on in the video and then go answer the questions. And then later, as I said, you go and develop the application, which was great. For me, that was absolutely amazing.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much, Ray. That was a lot. I'm happy that you were able to find some, especially the 80/20 platform, interesting and of good use, because when we built it, we didn't know what people were going to say or how people were going to react to learning with AI, because I mean, 80/20 is AI, and then you are learning AI using AI. So it was a whole
Correct.
lot. Yeah. So I don't know if anybody here has any question for Raymond. If you have any question, I'm seeing some hands up. So I don't know if you have any question for Raymond. So divine success. Do you have any question? I think he just went off. High Street Ride. Do you have a question? Okay. I guess
Yeah.
there's no question then. Okay. Go on. Ask a question.
Uh, what we have role in this internship? These explain again.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Do you mind asking the question again?
We have joined as internship role.
I did not understand that, but if you are asking when the next internship would be, the next internship will be coming up very soon. We are still trying to round up the former internship. Do you get that?
What we have to do in this? Please explain. I'm not
So
understanding.
currently we are not running an internship. We are trying
Okay.
to wrap up the last internship. The next
Okay.
internship will be coming up very soon, probably in 2 months' time. So just stay around, stick around in our community. If you're not in our community, join our community. We will be posting it there when we start. Do you understand?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah, good. All right. Ray, I think I have some questions for you. So um I
Go
would like
for it.
to ask, yeah, I would like to ask what stood out for you during the internship. I mean, in all the things that you experienced in the internship in total, what stood out for you especially? Yeah.
Precious, what stood out for me specifically was the guidance. I referred to it just now, but for me, that was the thing that stood out the most was the guidance of the steps to take, and not just being left on my own, having to try and figure out what is the next step. Um, that for me was was the greatest benefit, and whatever else you wanna call it. Um, and then the community as well. If you get stuck or you're unsure of something, you can just pop in Discord and ask a question. Um, I'm not always I'm not a fan, and I've spoken to Neil about this before. I'm not a Discord fan, purely because service, when you join them, you get bombarded with a couple of hundred messages within an hour, which was not the case for Tublian. For Tublian, there were discussions going on, but all of them were topic related. And then if you asked a question or wasn't unsure of something new, and the team was always there to answer, even if it was not necessary in the hours that they were awake, they would always, as soon as they can, they would come back. And for me, that was a huge bonus. It's just to have that assurance that I'm not left on my own. I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, yeah, I think I really like that. I really like that. So yeah, we have a community during the internship, and it was during the beginning time it was crazy because we had like a lot of questions and a lot of people complaining, oh, I can't see my course, oh, I don't have access. But I mean,
Yes.
yeah, it was crazy then. We had like a
It
lot of messages.
it was crazy, and I was actually still being new to Tublian. I was a bit surprised that there were so many hiccups with 80/20 that we couldn't see anything and so on. But just the way that you guys handled it for me was very professional, and that just put me at rest to know that I'm in good hands. Um, it's so easy when you've got a bunch of guys just jumping on you and saying, I can't see this, I can't access that, and people that get impatient. It's so easy for a team not to respond. The easiest thing is to just ignore the people and behind the scenes sort the problem out. But you guys didn't do that. Very professionally, you guys stayed on and stayed with it and responded to the people and said, try this now. Have you done this? Have you done that? I'm sure there must have been a lot of frustrations on your side as well, trying to sort the problems out. But we are in the software industry, so we know what nothing ever works out 100% when you want it to work out the first time. Um, oh yeah, and before I forget, something else that stood out for me as well is something that I've never done. Is I've done lots of sales calls, video sales calls, and presentations and stuff to clients when I still had my marketing agency. But I've never demonstrated software. I've never had to demonstrate an app. And I've never shown anybody anything that I've developed. So as I said earlier on, I would see something, I would do a follow along on YouTube or wherever I find a video. But except for my wife and my dog, I don't think anybody's ever seen anything that I've developed. And here I was, and I had to give a demo on an AI app that I've built. And for me, that was something great as well. And to push people to do that is a good thing as well. And where it helped me as well is what I didn't know behind the scenes is my laptop was busy doing a major Windows update, and it became so slow that I struggled to do my presentation because the AI chats just wouldn't update. But yet, in that, I had to cope with the pressure of it not working as I want to. And for me, that was a great stepping stone as well. It's just being thrown into the deep side and having to deal with it and physically demonstrate something that I've developed.
Yeah, yeah. So we had this very interesting demo day where, I mean, we had a lot of people do their work, and we are still owing because we are obvious by next week we'll be distributing badge mesh. We are distributing sub swags to those that we are able to present. So, I mean, we did announce that I'm announcing it first time officially, but we are sending gifts to everybody. So Ray, you are definitely going to get a gift in South Africa. I will chat you up so we talk about your gifts. So
Mm,
everybody that did a
great
presentation, we are
stuff.
going to send them, yeah, send them a gift. It was we just said, okay, you've built this. Why don't you come and show us what you built? We know you did this. Explain to us the thought process, the challenges that you faced, because we don't just want you to, have like a classroom experience of learning AI. We want you to experience the act of learning AI. So, hi, Lila. Lila, you have your hand up. I don't know if you have a question. If you have a question, do you mind
Yes,
asking?
yes, sir. Hi, thank you for giving me opportunity. I just want to know that I'm a beginner of AI course and etc. Whatever new courses are you are able to giving me, it's a good thing, sir. But I'm new to this course and internships. Is uh, will I be able to like follow your course? Like, will I catch up to your level on doing works?
So, I'm guessing you're asking if there are courses that you can follow to learn AI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so 80/20 is free, basically free for everyone. So you can go on 80/20 and use a prompt just to click, enter a prompt saying, "Oh, I understand JavaScript and Python, and now I want to learn AI." Once you enter that prompt, it's going to give you courses that you can use to learn AI. You can even just tell it that I want to learn AI, teach me AI. Just enter a prompt, the way you prompt ChatGPT, and then it's going to give you courses, right? The course that you can use to learn AI. But aside that, you can also wait if you want to experience the Tublian 80/20, the Tublian AI internship. You have to wait until the next batch of it. So, the AI internship, we have two particular internships that is very popular and a lot of people like. The first one is open source internship, and the second one is AI internship, right? So,
Yes.
we try to split it. So we do at least one in a year. Do so one of AI, one of open source, at least one of each in a year. So this year we've already had AI internship. We might bring it back again towards the end of the year. And already this year we've had the open source internship. So but just stay in the community, be on social media in case if we decide to bring it back again this year. But we are going to bring it back very soon. Just be sure that we're bringing it back definitely. So when it comes back, you will know. Just be in the community and keep checking Discord.
Okay, sir.
Also, also,
Thank you.
also, we have partners. Some of our partners are we are giving them access to this AI internship so that they can teach AI to their community, right? So,
Yes, sir.
if you if we also post it on our channel and then also on our social media, so if any of our partners is doing that training, you will see it on our Twitter or LinkedIn. Just follow us on LinkedIn, and you'll get the notification to register with our partners. So, but know that when it is our partners, it is for them, not for us, because our own is special. So you get to do the whole like classes, you get to do the whole demo and everything that Ray has been talking about, right? So
Yes, sir.
much Lila.
Okay, sir. Like, sir, I said this is my first time I will be trying good. So whenever you have providing the internship, I will be definitely participating in that and prove my best. I will make sure that will be contributing a valuable to the program.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Lila, for doing that. Yeah. So I don't know if there's any other question for Ray.
Nothing, sir. Just about
Yeah.
the
Okay.
internship only. You will be posting on the group, right, sir?
Yes, I will be posting it on the group. We don't worry about that. To post it on the group.
Okay,
All
sir.
right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Lee, you might have to mute your mic because there's noise in your background. All right. So another person that is oh sorry, one last question. Okay, I don't okay, he's here.
I
Hello, can
can
you
hear
hear
you
me,
now.
Ray?
Sorry, the seems like the internet is slow on our side. Just ask the question again, Precious.
Okay, okay. So my question was, um, the emails, the communication. How did you find the communication? Do you think it was too? It was not enough? Do you think? Do you think how was communication from Tublian, both the emails you get on it?
I,
How do you get it? How do you feel communication was?
I I think communication was good. I think it can improve um, a bit more information as we go along might be helpful to some people, especially those of us that are new to AI and um, but now thinking about it while I'm speaking is, like I said with the Discord service earlier on, you join something and they bombard you. Julian didn't bombard us with communication and email, so it wasn't overwhelming. So for me, it's a bit tongue in the cheek when I say it can improve, because do I really want it to improve and become more, or is it going to become distracting? But the necessary communication was there. One thing that I do want to point out that as a negative from my side is, um, something that I noticed in Discord is after internship or a competition, you've got this constant asking of when am I getting my certificates, when am I getting that, what's happening, who's the winner, etc. And I think that is something that Julian can look at improving, is just as soon as it's over and done, we'll send out an email or general communication to say due date for certificates or due date for the winner of the competition is in 2 weeks' time or 3 weeks' time, just so that people know. And I think that might make it easier for you guys as well, having to respond on that. But other than that, I think the communication was good.
All right, thank you very much. It's true. I mean, because right now, I don't think anybody, our competition, which was the capstone project, we've not released the result of it yet, and we don't have you now. Honestly, we are a small team. We are a
Yes.
small team, so we try to work within our capacity. All this work, we try to, find ways to make sure that everything is done effectively and with the quality that we want, the quality that we aspire to get. So we try to achieve that quality, but at the same time, sometimes it takes time for us to get these things done. All right. Thank you
Yeah.
very much for that, Raymond. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me go to another person who I know was part of the internship, and that is Godson. Hello, Godson.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Godson. Can you hear me?
Hello. I can hear you.
All right. Hi, Godson. How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm very grateful. It's a
All
sunny day,
right.
and everything is kind
All
of going
right.
fine.
Okay. So, Godson, you finished the internship, right? You got your
Yes. Yes.
certificate. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you
Yes.
mind to share your experience during the internship with us? Just like a rundown of everything you experienced from start to finish, and then yeah.
Okay. I'll be grateful. I was opportune to be informed when it was first notified to us that the internship was about to start. So registering into the internship program was kind of new because I haven't actually attended any new or any program requiring knowledge or teaching people not things regarding AI, and getting to know it and how to set up something that is going to respond to different forms of messages, text, even having to be able to remember certain things. It was actually fascinating. So getting into the program, building different forms of AI tools and responsive large language models that is going to translate a lot of things was kind of new to me and actually mind blowing. And The my one of my greatest, will I say greatest day in the program was the day everyone had to present. So many people presented a lot of stuff that I then had to think that I was not even up to certain limits because many people did a lot of things that was kind of new to me. Even I never even know that those things can actually can actually perform to that capability. So the experience was unique and interesting. So and I hope that I can actually be getting used to those experiences and maybe sometime within within the end of the year or next year, I can never be one of those that is going to present something different or unique that people will be also be fascinated about.
Oh yeah, thank you very much, Godson. It was. I mean, the demo they I saw a lot of things that I've not seen. I did not imagine. People were showing crazy stuff, right? It was a lot. Um, okay. I think the other question would be um on the registration process. So I know we had a very funny registration way. So it was a one-click register. So once you sign up on Tublian, you click one link and then you're already registered. So how did that make you feel after you registered? Was it until you got the mail saying the internship is about to start, or was it immediately after you registered that you knew that, "Oh, okay, I'm in to do this internship?"
Based on the registration, when I got that chills was when I think when I got my first mail saying that it said that the mail is only for those that have actually registered and they are going to receive something like a dashboard and it is kind of a private mail to only those that we are picked, something like that. So when I got that mail, it was like a much more better confirmation because after in some programs whereby people might actually register, maybe due to certain issues, I can't tell because I'm not part of the technical team. Some people might not actually get mail and some might not actually get it on time, but I was actually with my phone and then I received the mail and like everything kind of went on. So I was actually happy the way I got the mail, and I'm actually happy because I was aware when the mail came in. So I think that was actually a better experience. And another thing was that I'm also grateful. Even the team actually, I thank the team because they actually do send mails at certain time whenever a program is meant to start. I think that was also helpful because even if you are kind of occupied anyway, at that particular time, you get the mail telling you that such program is about to start. And they also tell you ahead of time. So it's kind of a good decision by the team. And I will actually say kudos to them for having that idea.
All right, thank you very much. So let's talk about the recordings for the session. So bear with. So I know that during this internship, one of uh, our biggest challenge was recording the sessions. Not all sessions were recorded properly, but we were able to record as many as we can. So I think my question for you is, did you watch any of those videos later? Did you find the YouTube channel interesting? Or do you have anything to say in terms of recording of the sessions that you had?
Okay. I watched the recordings. I watched the first one, second one, I watched the third one, the fourth one, but I didn't watch the fifth one. I actually didn't get the link on time. And even when I tried to search for it on the channel, I didn't see it. So I had to call my friend to ask me if he had the link. I was expecting he would send it, but he didn't send it. So that was the only one I missed. Then, in terms of the recording is actually smooth. Um, I can't really say any bad thing regarding it, except not much. It's actually smooth, and the group. I'm also grateful to the community members that try to make less noise that doesn't affect the words of the person presenting. Aside from that, I think the recording is smooth. It's smooth, and nothing can actually. I can't really tell anything wrong with most of the recordings. It's actually smooth, and having it on YouTube is actually the best option since people can access it with lesser data consumption, and at least an optimal quality for presentation.
All right, all right. Thank you very much, Godson. Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you. So, would you recommend this internship for people who are here that wants to go learn AI? Would you recommend that they go through this internship?
Yes, I do recommend it, but when recommending, most people might actually think learning AI actually means watching the video. But I think it's more of the materials and extra hours of learning different concepts in order to grasp the real idea of what you're about to get with the AI, because it's not a matter of learning the AI, but knowing what you want to get out from it. Because asking a question is another thing. Making it to respond to certain question is also a different on its own. I would recommend it to any of my friends that are interested and are willing to go the extra mile in learning it. Because if you tend to give it to those that are not interested and do it halfway and kind of stop, you might actually get disappointed by looking at it in a way that maybe it's not up to the level of that person, or maybe the material is not worth it. But to all my friends that are willing to push that extra mile, I always give them the idea to push the tool and get to make use of their resources, as it is useful to me, and I believe it will also be useful to them.
Oh wow, wow. Thank you very much, Godson. Actually, this is the easiest internship we've designed. Our open source internship is very hard. I must say. I mean, it's very hard because you have to source for projects, you have to contribute and pray that the maintainers match your contribution. And if you don't get your contributions matched, you are not getting the certificate from us. So it for me, I consider it a hard internship. But this, people say this is hard, and I'm like, this is easy, guys. People. So
It's
yeah,
hard. People might see it as hard because of the last project, because the last
yeah.
project required installing React from LangChain, and they're also using a database. So I think it might be due to the last project and maybe some little concepts in the first project whereby they said we should make it to be specific to certain concepts and not deviate from that concept. So aside from that, it's actually fair and like I say more straightforward since you already know what you're expecting from it. So that's from my own view.
Okay. Yeah, actually, yeah, true. True, true, true. I mean, we try not to give people handouts. We try to let you, you know, learn it by yourself because there is not much that we can teach you from our own end. So we try to make you learn it from yourself. All right. Thank you very much, Godson. Thank you very much. I'm really happy. If on value in the internship, I'm really happy for you. All right. Sorry, my wife to mute your mic now because of the noise in the background. Thank you very much, Godson. I'm
Okay,
really
thank
happy.
you.
Probably maybe this year or next year I should be in Enugu and probably we'll hang out. Yeah,
I'll be glad. I'll be glad.
yeah. You're welcome. Okay. So the next person will probably be the last person because we try to keep our calls when we say it's 1 hour, we try to keep it within 1 hour, not to extend time. So Harsha, are you here? Hi, Harsha.
Hi, Precious. Can you hear me
Oh,
now?
hi. Yeah, I can hear you now. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. You're welcome, Harsha. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, good. Harsha, do you mind
And
introducing yourself? And then, yeah.
yeah, sure.
Let's,
I'm her. Hello.
yeah, go on, go on.
Okay, okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Harsha. I'm an AI enthusiast. I completed my master's in statistics. And speaking about my internship journey. Um First of all, I need to thank Tublian for this amazing opportunity, and for special thanks to Neelanjan and of course Precious for your support and encouragement throughout this internship. Um, this internship is really a transformation journey for me. You mean so from the last few weeks, it is not only a learning journey, the knowledge building, but it's also a confidence building journey for me, because apart from the learning journey in the internship, I was able to test myself in other like I was able to prepare and learn an Azure AI certification as well, uh, which was actually very helpful for me. But actually, this internship helped me a lot to prepare for the Azure certification as well, because the certification was about AI Engineer Association certification. Um, well, the same concepts, but for the Azure technologies we're using, like the AI or tools and technologies in Azure. So this journey in internship also helped me to prepare for this certifications as well. Apart from that, I was able to even clear my ACT examinations. It's an actual common entrance test. It's an entrance test for professional examinations for actuarial profession, where actuarial profession is where we use complex mathematics and statistics models to identify enterprise risks and risks in insurance. So I find preparation for this also very interesting. And this internship in this internship journey, uh, I was very I mean, I had a bit of knowledge on LLMs, large language models. I had a bit of experience using Chat GPT, but I had never experienced on building using one of the LLMs. When you want to learn, when you have an interest of learning any of the AI technologies, wherever you go YouTube or whatever you do, you will be overwhelmed with a lots of resources. You will be just confused when where to start and where to proceed in it. You will definitely will not have a perfect roadmap. But when you come to the Tublian has this fantastic feature called 80/20, right? This give you the uh, I mean an personalized roadmap, because I'm from a statistics background. So during the journey, in the internship, in the roadmap, you will come up with the lots of questions. The questions was mostly personalized to me. Guys, how do you use your statistical knowledge for implementing these problems and like that? So it was truly very personalized, and it was testing my knowledge, personalized to me, what I've done in my what my background is, and the what I'm learning in this internship. So this really helped me to shape my how to I mean shape my path to become a successful AI developer. Because apart from that, before that, I've never I have had little programming experience in Python and R, but never built projects using LLMs. So Tublian gave me the opportunity to deep dive in it. Not only just deep dive, get right from the scratch, and then built on it, build a projects on it. Then I'm very confident that I'm now able to build chatbots. Not one, I had able to build two projects, and also was able to give a demo on that. So I'm feeling very confident right now, uh, after the from this internship. And I'm very also happy that I was a part of open source internship at Tublian, and I was also a part of AI internship. And now currently I'm also a part of Anambra Techies AI internship as well. So I'm very lucky for that. And that's I'm very happy that I'm still on this learning journey and I'm associated with Tublian. Thank you.
Oh wow, wow! Thank you very much, Hasha. That is a whole lot. So wow, wow. I think you should do more reactions for Hasha. That is. I mean, he moved from open source internship. He moved to doing AI internship with background in statistics. He was able to build chatbots. I mean,
Thank you.
it's
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.
congratulations. I think I should say
Yeah.
congratulations,
And
Hasha. So
these masterclass, this every weekly there was a masterclass where industry experts would come and share their knowledge and insights. One of the many persons like Grant Schneider, he gave some of the presentations. I am very inspired from him since he is from a statistics background and he is very successfully contributing to the AI community. I feel him one of inspired from him, and also another person was recently was Arindam Majumdar. So he gave a new insights on how the reputation gives you the draws the lot of opportunity to you. And Tublian is one of the platform. It gives everything for you. It connects the people. It connects the same common minded people, object developers. It gives you the platform to learn, build, share, and also contribute. So you have a lot of you get everything from this platform, and I'm very happy to be uh, in such a platform. Thank you.
oh wow, yeah, thank you very much, Hasha. Thank you very much. This is a whole lot. I mean, grant session was amazing. Grant session was amazing. I personally learned a lot. I was asking a lot of questions during that session.
Yeah, yeah.
It was very insightful. Yeah, it was very insightful. So I think the question I would like to ask is, during you said you after you launched during internship, you were able to write your Microsoft exam, and it was almost like the same principle. So I want to know how transferable were the knowledge you got from the internship in other internships and you doing other things. Like how was it? Did you easily transfer the knowledge? Was it easily transferable? Or I mean just talk us through how you were able to, should I
Uh,
say, use the
uh,
boats here.
yes, the thing is, the certification, the Microsoft Azure AI 102 as a AI engineer associate certification examination. Um, there was four parts where you need to there explores lots of in this, and one of the two parts consists of technologies like artificial intelligence and generative AI using open AI models, or a lot of stuff like that. So these model was in Tublian while the AI internship journey itself. The way I was preparing the syllabus, which was personalized for me, which was the roadmap which was created, which actually aligned to a lot of almost like 40 to 50% of the syllabus was aligned to the internship syllabus itself. Like how to what is prompt, number types of prompt, okay, prompting techniques, and that where we built two of the projects in the Tublian itself, and the LLMs. And the particular it was targeting the open AI LLMs like ChatGPT, GPT, and everything. Say, how do you the what is the pipeline of building the process? And the next was how do you use the Azure available Azure technologies to build the AI solutions. So these were the syllabus for that. So almost 40 to 50% of the syllabus was aligned to the internship itself. So, and not only when there is a recommendation from the resources, when we have a lot of resources that will be available in the phase one, we are phase two, like that. So if you go, there will be a lot of links where you will be given only a video for a particular concept, but when you go and see to there will be a lot of playlist over there, which will be very interesting. It has been it will be explored with a lot of technologies, not only with this point of this for example, we were used for llama models. So there were a lot of resources where you can use different type of explore different type of technologies, not only for texting, but for text to image generation models, LLMs, and text to voice generation, LLMs. So we were able to explore those resources as well through this 80/20 roadmap. This not only give you the resources for the internship itself, it gave you a lot of a road path to explore and get your knowledge increase or enhance your skills for the industry related technologies, because every day you see a lot of different type of models or the same version getting updated. So you need to be up to date with the uh, knowledge, like how to use it. Because previous version 1 models has the syntax of using it would be different after a new version has been it's out in production. So you need to be get updated with it. And this AI platform also helps you to explore with a simple by minimizing the complexity of defining it. For example, when you see the open source contribution, when you explore any of the problem you see, there will be a lot of descriptions by the Tublian bot itself, the Tublian copilot itself. There you need to, this is the problem, this is the actual problem, and you need to steps to solve it. So, and it will also show you the intensity of the problem, like it's easy, medium, and hard, like that. So uh, it's like having your best assistant assisting you, making you learn, build all the time with you. So you will not be felt alone, or you will not be afraid that I would not have how would I complete it, or how would I uh, learn this. There will be nothing like that. You will be confident, feel confident. You will definitely confidently go for it, go ahead, step on it, and get the success from it.
Yeah. More, thank you very much. Understanding that, okay, the roadmap. I mean, sometimes we always like, are we sure that this are giving the people what they want? But then knowing that, I mean, the roadmap was almost the same thing with your Microsoft professional exam, Azure, that you took. It makes me happy. It makes me happy that to know that the roadmap, the AI is doing a good job in dishing out the right roadmap. So even now, I am more confident that we can do more of these internships and then get people to learn about AI and spread the knowledge of AI across the world. All right. So I don't know. I'm going to pause at this time to know if anybody has any question. Does anybody have any question, or anybody that was part of the internship that wants to give something, that wants to say something about the internship? Anyone? Hi, Ruhi. Ruhi, are you here? Okay, Ruhi is not here. So I'm assuming that there is no question. All right. So I guess that is it. But before we leave, I'm going to make a few announcements. We've made a lot of updates on the platform, so you might want to check it out. Our open source page now has you you just need to say, oh, I'm looking for open source project on education. I'm looking for open source project on that skydiving. I don't know if there's open source project on skydiving, right? But then you can say, oh, show me open source project on skydiving, and then project will just start popping